Persuade. Convincing someone to do or believe something by giving good reasons. Example: she used her persuasive skills to get her friends to join the volunteer project. Grudge. Holding on to bad feelings because someone hurt you before. Example: she still felt upset because of a grudge from an old argument. Repent. Feeling sorry for doing something wrong and wanting to make it right. Example: after breaking the vase, he felt guilty and decided to repent by cleaning up the mess. Tantrum. A big, uncontrolled burst of anger or frustration, usually seen in children. Example: the toddler threw a tantrum in the store when denied a toy. Preach. Talking passionately about an important idea, especially related to morals or beliefs. Example: the teacher would preach about kindness and sharing with classmates. Cripple. To seriously harm or damage, making something or someone unable to work properly. Example: the storm threatened to cripple the small town's infrastructure. Spoiled. Getting too much of what you want, making you act selfish or entitled. Example: the spoiled child got upset when not given another piece of candy. Rigid. Not able to change easily, sticking strictly to rules or plans. Example: the schedule was rigid and there was no room for changes. Hollow. Empty inside, lacking real meaning or substance. Example: winning the game felt hollow, without the joy of playing with friends. Discard. Throwing something away because it's not needed anymore. Example: it's time to discard these old clothes. They don't fit anymore. Beside. Next or near something. Example: she sat beside her friend during the movie and shared popcorn. Reliable. Something or someone you can always trust or depend on. Example: my alarm clock is reliable. It wakes me up at the same time every day. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.